I have read your speech, Mr. President. I think we all share what you've done, what you've talked about in your speech. That is fighting poverty, ignorance, and disease. So we share this mission. Thank you very much.
Every institution builds the democracy that one sees. We believe that our presence here is a sign that we can coexist. And this nation can flourish if we fight the tendencies of extremism and radicalism. We believe that this is the time for us to walk and move a journey as a country, even when we belong to different entities and ideologies. And I want to request Right Honorable and the President, Your Excellency, that under your leadership, we use this opportunity to build a true multi-party dispensation that all of us would belong to as a nation. I want to appreciate you, Right Honorable Deputy Secretary General, Justice Forum, Jeema, Justice, Social Justice, Education, Economy, Morals, African Unity, we stand for. I'm delighted to represent
this conference. The chairman has given us the context in which we expect the party to be run, the history, the strengths, and the weaknesses that we are supposed to achieve to overcome. So, with this coming together, is creating a lot of synergies for Uganda, not only for the NRM, because you have seen how other parties have joined us to learn from us. So NRM